Hey guys, what is up? So I just got back from Sam's Club and I'm gonna be either showing you a nice salmon recipe or ribeye recipe from that discount that we got. So I'm gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts first and we are gonna make the either or for dinner. So let's go. Alright guys, so let's continue on our bike ride. But it is super nice for November. It is not that cold. Guys, we are in the hood right now. Got the Glock in my Rari, you know. Right, Cray? Got the Glock in my Rari. Alright guys, we just currently arrived at Dunkin' Donuts. I'm just gonna probably get my normal refresher. I don't know which one yet, but we are gonna sit underneath the same tree. Alright guys, we are inside. I just ordered the peach passion fruit. He ordered a stupid blueberry bagel, yo. Look, got some cool merch, some coffee. Look at this cool Christmas topper. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. How much is this? Oh, this is $10, never mind. Guys, here we go. Peach passion fruit drink. Oh my god, you gotta be freaking kidding me. Okay, I just broke the lid. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's taste that. Oh, okay, yeah. Definitely really sweet. Peach. I can taste the peach. I can taste the passion fruit. And I can feel caffeine rushing through me right now. This is perfect right before I need to cook either the steak or salmon we're gonna make today. How's your blue raspberry colada?
It's a blue raspberry.
You got literally two blue things here. You got blue raspberry colada and a blueberry bagel with cream cheese.
You said blueberry?
You said blueberry! I swear to you didn't say cinnamon, yo! You said blue. Stop looking that way. What is wrong with you? You're acting like a buffoon. It's coming out. Guys, watch it. I'm blotting him with my light right now. Alright, we are on our way home. Stop! Move! Wait, get on my right side. Just get on my right side. Yo! Alright guys, so first with this ribeye steak recipe, get yourself about a 1 pound steak, and I was lucky enough to find one that was on sale. Next, we are going to be doing the reverse searing method, so preheat your oven at 280 degrees. Next off, get yourself a plate, and we are going to dry both sides of the steak from the moisture. So just pat it both sides dry with a paper towel, and we are going to be generously seasoning both sides of our steak with some salt. You could use any other type of salt like pink salt, flavored salt. It is up to you. Be sure to get both sides thoroughly and also get the sides as well. Alright, after you have seasoned your steak thoroughly, get yourself a baking tray, add a little bit of oil of your kind. I'm using avocado oil right now, and just spread it around with a paper towel like so, and place your steak in it. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little bit of fresh ground black pepper on top. You can do what you would like, and we are gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 280 degrees. Alright, now I'm going to make my roasted potato recipe, so go ahead and get some boiling water, generously season it, and go wash your potatoes. I am using about 3 cups of the little potato company's potato, which is very delicious. It is very creamy and fluffy, and discard any potatoes that don't look too well, and you can also use russet potatoes if you don't have them. Next, we are going to boil our potatoes for around 5 minutes, and be sure to stir it once every minute or so. Next, we are going to mince our garlic, so go get yourself about 6 to 9 cloves of garlic, depending on sizes. As you can see, I got a little bit smaller cloves right here, so I'm using about 7 or 8, and we are going to go peel it up, mince about 7 garlic cloves, and I'm going to save 2 that are smashed for when we will sear our steak later on. Alright, by the time you're done mincing your garlic, your potatoes should have been done being cooked. So go get yourself a cold water and a strainer, and we are going to cool down our potatoes now. So go ahead and just keep doing this until the potatoes are cold. Alright, after you have finished chilling your potatoes, your steak should have been done being baked now. So go ahead and remove it from the oven. Set your oven at 425 for 30 minutes, and we are basically going to roast our potatoes now. So in a large bowl, add your potatoes, and we are going to be generously salting our potatoes. So don't be afraid. After you've been done salting your potatoes, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, your 3 minced garlic, some freshly ground black pepper, some cayenne pepper. You can use as much as you would like. I'm just doing a sprinkle of it, some paprika, and garlic powder as well. So just go ahead and add the amount that you would like. And next up, I'm adding in some rosemary. I'm doing about 2 teaspoons. Next off, I got some thyme. And I am going to be generously tossing it to make sure the seasonings are evenly dispersed. Next, in a large baking pan, just add it right in. Make sure they are not touching each other really, or overlapping. Next, I'm doing another quick sprinkle of rosemary, and let's plop it in the oven for half an hour. Alright, after you have put the potatoes in the oven, go ahead and get a cast iron pan and preheat it at high heat, and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you have too much, just pour it out in a little bowl like me and save it for later. Once it's about to be smoking, just add in your steak, and we are going to sear both sides for around 2 to 3 minutes. And be sure to not touch it until the crust have been formed. And look how beautiful our crust is. Some parts are not crusted yet, but we are going to flip it over later on. Next off, add 1.5 tablespoons of butter right in, and add 3 cloves of smashed garlic right in to infuse with the butter. You can use 2, 4, 5, 6, whatever amount you would like. And go ahead and baste it for around 20 seconds. Then go ahead and flip it. And look how amazing the crust looks on the other side. Alright, next off, add about 1 tablespoon of rosemary and grind up some fresh black pepper. Next off, baste again for around 30 seconds. And it should be done. I'm just wiping a little bit of the rosemary away because I don't like rosemary chunks in my steak. Next off, after your 2 minutes is done on the other side, just go ahead and remove it onto your cutting board and zest some lemon on it. This adds a different element to it, and look how amazing our dish is. Look how nicely the potatoes are roasted, and look how juicy and delicious the steak looks. After about 10 minutes of relaxing it, just go ahead and slice it into the thickness you like. I like my steaks a little bit thicker than you might prefer, but that's okay. And look at how perfect this medium recipe is for the steak. Now, if you want it like medium rare, just only sear both sides for around 1.5 minutes. Alright, look how nice our steak is. Add some salt on top. And now let's taste test. And don't forget the roasted potatoes on the plate. Guys, here we go. Our prime rib steak is finally done. Look how beautiful it looks. So let's grab this one right here. We added some of that salt at the end for that added flavor. Let's give it a try. Just the right enough salt, not make it too salty, and also bring out the beefiness of the steak. rosemary just complements the dish very nicely. Restaurant quality right here. Would have been like $30 if you ate it at a restaurant, but you made it at home. Okay. Got the roasted potato. Nice and creamy. Nice texture in your mouth. Let's go one more. Just dip it in the beef juice. Amazing piece. Well, that is it, guys. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like.